Today, I'm going to make Japanese rolled omelets or Tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki is a very popular Japanese dish. They are bite-sized and easy to eat, making them the perfect side dish for bento boxes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different kinds. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use Japanese-style soup stock. Hondashi Bonito soup stock is widely available outside Japan and easy to use. If you are a vegetarian, you can use mushroom seasoning or mushroom bouillon powder instead. Add half a teaspoon of powdered soup base or mushroom seasoning to 1 cup of hot water. Crack 3 eggs. Three tablespoons of soup stock. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Heat the skillet. If you are interested, please refer to the link of the product in the description below. Once the skillet is sufficiently heated, add oil and pour in 1/4 of the beaten eggs. Wait until about 70% of the surface is set. Then gently slide the omelette to the edge of the skillet and roll it up. Pour in another 1/4 of the beaten egg. Lift the omelette slightly and pour additional beaten egg underneath it. Repeat this process until all the beaten eggs are used up. Basically, you just need to pour the beaten eggs into the frying pan in 3 to 4 separate additions, rolling them up as you go. Using this square frying pan makes it easy to shape your omelette and create a beautiful one every time. However, it is also possible to make rolled omelettes in the same way using a regular frying pan. My grandmother used to make rolled omelette with a regular round frying pan. Shape the rolled omelette. Put it aside and let it cool down. Next, I'm going to make spinach tamagoyaki. Cut a handful of baby spinach into small pieces. Crack 3 eggs. One tablespoon of sugar. 3 tablespoons of soup stock. Mix the baby spinach into the egg mixture. Heat the skillet well. Please be sure to heat it before you pour the egg mixture. Otherwise, the egg mixture might get stuck in the pan. Once the skillet is sufficiently heated, add oil and pour in 1/4 of the egg mixture. Wait until about 70% of the surface has set. Gently slide the omelette to the edge of the skillet and roll it up. Pour in another 1/4 of the beaten egg. Roll up the omelette. Repeat this process until all the beaten eggs are used up. Oops, I flipped it over a bit too soon, but don't worry, we can still shape it properly from here. Shape the rolled omelette. If you have a makisu for making rolled sushi, You can use it to make a cute round-shaped tamagoyaki. Put the omelette on makisu and roll it into a circular shape. Use a rubber band and let it cool down. Next, I'm going to make Korean-style rolled egg. Cut red pepper into small pieces. Cut one green onion into small pieces. Crack 3 eggs. Add the chopped vegetables. 1 tablespoon of mayo. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Heat the skillet and add sesame oil. Sesame oil is commonly used in Korean and Japanese cuisine, adding a distinctive savory aroma to dishes. Pour in the eggs mixture. Roll the eggs and push them to the edge. Pour in another 1/4 of the beaten egg. Repeat this process until all the beaten eggs are used up. Put it aside and let it cool down. Once the rolled omelette has cooled slightly, cut it into bite-sized pieces. And that's it. Enjoy!